So you mean to tell me that as at this point, you have still not mastered the AI tools, which is going to help you as a UX designer or even a full stack developer in your projects? But is AI actually going to take our work from us? Well, if you ask for my perspective, I believe AI is going to help we the UX designers or the full stack developers or the front end developers to make our work much easier and less stressful. But well, that was just by the way. Today, I came to tell you about this wonderful AI tool that will help you as a UX designer or even a developer in your projects. It's going to make your work much more easier, and you are going to be less stressed about thinking of how to come up with screens and codes. All right, so this AI tool is called Claude AI. I believe most of us have heard about Claude AI, but well, today I'm going to teach you how you can actually use Claude AI as a UX designer or a developer. Let's get right into it. Okay, so you can just go to Google and search for Claude AI, right? So when you open it, this is how the interface of the AI website is looking like. So right now, let's try and do something. So I'm telling AI that I want to create a resume builder website, right? And as UI UX designers, you know that you need your information architecture, you need your user flow, right? So right now I'm telling AI that I want to build this resume website and it should help me with an information architecture. All right, so this is the prompt I gave it, and afterwards I clicked enter. So I just have to wait for it to do the magic for me, right? So from the beginning, it gave me a text information architecture, which is also good. But I later told Claude AI, to give me a visual information architecture. After prompting AI to give me a visual architecture, this is what I have. You can pause the video to have a full glance. So now, let's prompt AI to give us a user flow for our website. Alright, so after the prompt, this is the user flow AI gave me. You can also pause the video to have a full glance. Now, going into the designs, I told AI to generate an interactive design for the home page or the landing page. After waiting for some seconds, this is the nice, wonderful landing page that the AI gave me. So it's not so great, it's not so perfect, but as US designers or developers, we can always perfect this when we are doing our actual designs. So this is going to be like a guide for you, right? So this is give you how it works. Create your resume, view templates. I mean, this is so wonderful. I mean, even if you have no clue of how you can design a landing page, here is how you can do it, right? So we can even make some adjustments, and we can make the create your resume clickable, right? Right now it's not clickable, so we can make an adjustment. So next, I told AI to make the create your resume button functional, so that when I click it, it leads me to another page. So that's the prompt I gave it. All right, so waiting for some seconds, it brought me back the same design. Everything was intact, there was nothing changed, and now it's clickable. You see, it has led me to another page. And then, so as a UX designer, this is really going to help you, and it shows you the code. This is where the developers benefit, right? It shows you the codes or how you can do it, the front, the HTML, CSS codes, everything, you have it there. If you want to discover more AI tools that will help you as a UX designer or a developer, I'll advise you follow this page. Thank you.